Hi friends, this is Jillian Boss. Welcome to my home office. I'm excited to tell you about our Show Safely sets that we have put together and have available at all of our listings. So let's take a look and see what's inside. We have a white bandana to cover the face and mouth, and then it ties in the back. We also have a set of medical booties to cover the chute. And then finally, we have a set of nitrile gloves. And that, my friends, is how you can see our homes and we can show your home as safely as possible. I hope all of your families are staying safe and healthy. Take care.